Hi everyone! Alam niyo ba, sa gitna ng mabilis na pagbabago ng mundo, technology is the new global currency. Napakahalaga na ang young generation natin ngayon, ang mga susunod na innovators, ay magkaroon ng lakas ng loob na pasukin ang mundo ng STEM or science, technology, engineering, and math. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa formulas at computations, it's about solving our own problems and proving that the Filipino talent is world-class. Kaya naman today, we are not just here to see a new invention. We're here to meet the heart and soul behind it. Nangarap din siya na gaya ninyo at ngayon is leading the charge sa DOST para sa kinabukasan ng ating transportasyon. Tara, let's go inside the DOST MIRDC. Let's get to know Engineer Emmanuel Ariola and the story behind this journey. Tara!
I am a really curious child. I'm really curious on everything. Paano gumagana yung isang bagay. Ang hilig ko daw magkutingting ng bagay. So, lumaki ako na si daddy, nagkukumpuni ng kung ano-ano. Even simple household troubleshooting. Na-curious ako na ang galing nung factor na whenever my mom wants something, my dad will have a solution. Yung thought process ko is developed sa bahay. Kung paano solusyonan ni daddy yon, and then nakita ko. And napaka-importante din siguro sa tingin ko ng development na yun. Lagi niya kasi ako ini-involve. Ayun yung normal scenario sa bahay whenever we're fixing something. Nadadala ko siya, I think, whenever I encounter any problems sa school, sa coursework, o kaya even nung investigatory project, mga ganyan. Ang kagandahan kay daddy, whenever nagtatry kami mag-solve ng problem, sinasabi niya kung ano yung mga possibility. Kapag ito ang ginawa natin, ito yung posibleng mangyari. Ito yung gagawin ko, tatingin mo ano mangyayari dito kapag ito yung ginawa natin. Lagi may root cause analysis na nagtitrigger lagi. Originally, my dad is a municipal engineer of Municipality of Cainta. When the need arises, DRMMC, Disaster Risk and Management, approaches the engineering department. Meron silang malaking problema. Ito nilang magkaroon ng isang alert system or a device that can actually notify yung buong community that there's something coming. May bagyo, may lindol, and everything. Dad is a member of Filipino Inventor Society. May notebook siya, pero pahaba. Tapos nakalagay doon yung mga ideas niya. Yung mga gusto niyang gawin. Ano yung problema? Ano yung solution niya? Kakaroon siya ng isang main click na invention niya, which is yung emergency alert system. 3-kilometer radius yung nanonotify niya kapag tumunog yun. Natuwa ako doon kasi something na pinaglalaroan niya nun sa bahay. Naging useful at tapos inilalagay namin sa ibabaw ng multipurpose hall, sa ibabaw ng barangay. Natutuwa ako kasi galing sa idea niya, nagagamit na ng community. Nung that time, hindi ako tutok sa aral. Pero natutuwa ako sa natututunan ko that time. Malaking factor yung appreciation and also yung the way of teaching, paano makuha yung attention mo ng mga teachers. After chemical engineering, nag-board exam ako. So, mas na-interest ako sa energy consumption. That's why I took up Masters of Science in Energy Engineering at UP Diliman. Nung nag-start na ako mag-MS, nag-full-time na ako na Masters. I am a scholar of DOST.
Si Engineer Emmanuel Ariola ang nag-develop ng Ampolycools, which stands for Additively Manufactured Polymer-Based Liquid Cooling System. It's a novel cooling system na dinisenyo para pigilan ang overheating. So our EVs can finally deliver on their promise of better efficiency, sustainability, and extended range.
I'm Emmanuel Ariola, Science and Technology Fellow of DOST MIRDC, assigned here at Advanced Manufacturing Center. And we're currently working on a thermal management solution for a overheating power module. We combine different materials to form different material properties. Kung gusto mo ng medyo matigas, may dadadag ka lang na konting compound para mas maging matigas siya, tapos magbabalancing siya, depende sa gusto mo. This is the technology we use for the manifold, the Ampolycool. So, ito po ang isa sa pinakamahal nating printer dito sa MIRDC. So, this is a metal 3D printer na merong robot arm sa loob. So, yung mga piniprint nito is ang mga metal objects. It is used for printing all the objects and also for repairs. Isa rin sa highest resolution printers natin, we can print yung ceramic. May part na malambot, may part na matigas. So, yun yung mga complex design na mahirap gawin. And this cannot be molded. Mahirap to i-mold. These are the resin printers and then may resin tank dyan. So, it's liquid. Yung laser na yon ginagawa niyang solid yung liquid. Tapos hanggang sa bumuo siya layer by layer. This is the power module. Ito yung umiinit ng sobra. This is a new technology from the US. Masyado siyang umiinit at hindi kaya ng buong system. So what we develop right now is to solve that problem, which is ito. Ito yung pinakauna. what are we doing right now is introduce a silicon carbide, a new wideband gap na for application, and it is projected to have 100 kilowatt per liter times 3. So, anong implication nun? We have longer miles. Yung range anxiety natin sa EV is mababawasan or mawawala kung satisfied na tayo sa ganung range. Nag-develop tayo nito na napaliit natin ng ganito. Ayun yung nagawa ni Amsen natin. The power module is collaboration between Virginia Tech and Oak Ridge National Lab. And I happen to be the PhD fellow na nandun sa Virginia Tech Lab. I was hired as a Science and Technology Fellow by DOST. And isa na sa nakita kong collaboration is to answer the thermal throttling nito. Hence, proposing this AM polygon. We are part of the solution. This can be as simple as it looks. Pero madaming naging studies to. If this one will be the part of a bigger solution, yung power inverter, nagkaroon na tayo ng baseline study, alam na natin kung paano i-design gamit yung mga paper na ginawa nila, and then we can just implement it to whatever purpose we want. That's our main goal, is to make everyone safe and to erase the range anxiety of all the EV users. Yun talaga yung main natin. So, energy efficient, pag mas energy efficient, mas environmentally friendly tayo, happy Earth.